Hi, and welcome to the world of Vicon Cara. My name's Tim Doubleday, and I'm going to be your guide through this series of Cara user videos. I've been using the system for a number of months now, and I'm excited to share my experience with you. Today we're going to cover everything from unboxing the unit, through to setting it up, aiming and focusing the cameras, applying the markers onto our subject, and finally capturing a range of motion. We're then going to take the system out into the studio here and capture a full performance take. So this will include fingers, face and body all together. We're also going to make all the data available on the Vicon website so you can see for yourselves how great the Vicon system works in a production environment. Okay, so without further ado, let's have a look and see what we get inside. Health and safety tip, mind your fingers on these latches, it's really heavy duty. So the first thing we're going to look at is the head unit itself. The Cara system's been designed with flexibility in mind, so there are a number of different configurations that you can use the system with. Whenever handling the unit, I always grab it by the side arms here. Okay, so you can see these arms have been cable tied together here, and these are the connections for the cameras. I'm just going to cut this one off. There we go. In this compartment you'll actually find the cameras themselves. Each camera has a handy lens cover and can be connected to the system using these cables here and this head here. We'll go look at that in the next section. In this compartment you'll find a calibration device and a focus grid to help you focus the cameras. You also get these handy drop arms. These are designed to be replaced here and here, and are used if you want to just focus on the lower part of the face. These two back compartments, we have tools for making any adjustments to the system, and a pen for applying makeup dots onto your subject. Here we have the reflective hemispherical markers for use in the main capture volume. They get attached here. And focus rings for making small adjustments to the focus of the cameras. Right, let's have a look at the rest of what we get. This is the logger, or the brain. This talks to the helmet and stores all the video files. It can either be connected via the network or wirelessly, depending on your situation. These are the batteries. These power the logger. We have cables and a battery charger. It's always good to have two batteries being charged in the background, just in case you need to swap them in and out. Here we have pads for the Cara unit itself. They sit under here and help get a good fit on your subject. There are actually two sizes of these, depending on the size of your subject's head. We have these handy pouches for storing the logger and the batteries on your subject as they walk around the volume, and mocap hats to fit underneath the unit so you get a nice and comfy fit. Finally, we have these replaceable brims. As you can see here, we have a white dot brim and this is a black dot brim. So depending on what kind of coloured dots you want to capture, you can choose which brim to use. This slots here and blocks the brim, and it's used for calibration. You also get a couple of spare leads, just in case you run into any problems. And that's about it. Next up, we're going to look at joining it all together and setting up your Cara system. Thanks for watching.